Hi everyone, this is the introduction video to guide you on using EndNote version 21. It will be followed with a series of short videos which accompany the brief guide on using EndNote 21. The best way to learn how to use EndNote 21 is to follow the step-by-step instruction provided in the brief guide on using EndNote 21. There are 18 chapters in the book, and each chapter will include video demonstrating the step described in the chapter. Thank you, and hope you will have fun learning how to use EndNote 21. Just remember that having a well-structured citation and reference list for your research work or write-up shows you are meticulous in your work and understand the basic of conducting and reporting findings in an ethical manner. It will make you a better writer.